here we are, another weekend, another race weekend, and we're going to Silverstone in this beast. Robert at the wheel. You excited, Robert?
Yes. Very excited.
Since the last video where a bolt holding the gearbox sort of sheared off, it's all been repaired, it's all ready to go. Yeah, we're going to head down to Silverstone with your boy Andy with the camera. He's got accreditation for this weekend. He is like official. As you can see, we're already causing mayhem. We've been here 5 seconds. Here we are. You gotta make sure you put this in the right place, mate. You can't do that.
No.
I don't think it matters that much. Don't get any air bubbles. Make sure it's straight. Do you want spirit level?
No.
It's all about the sticker, mate.
Cool.
Oh, that's all right. There's no air bubbles. Because that's just extra drag. Racing tomorrow with Classic Sports Car Club in the Swinging Sixties. Just getting ready for tomorrow really now. So beautiful evening. Look at that. So yeah, just getting everything together, getting everything prepared for racing tomorrow. What are you having, Robert?
I don't know. Oh.
You've got to tell the viewers at home what you're going to have pre-race.
Salad, probably.
Salad, I like it. Cheers. Cheers, everyone. What you
The
saying,
same
Matt?
ones. 23 and a half.
The fronts.
No, front's 25.
Right. Okay. 23 and a half at the back,
Yeah.
25's at the front.
Yeah. Stainless.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So the car's all ready for the first qualifying session. So tyres are done. All that needs to be done is get warmed up. Hello, Team Boss is in the house. Did you say it's combined qualifying?
Pardon? Yeah, with Classic K.
Ah, cool. What was it?
104.
Thank you very much. So car's all nice and warmed up, tyre pressures are done.
Yeah, cool.
Excellent.
Wheels are torqued on.
Wheels are torqued on, yeah.
So do the fronts go up at all?
No,
From
not
25?
really. Not really, no.
Yeah, worth remembering, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like this car doesn't warm the tyres up like the blue car on a hot day.
No. Ha 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 ha! right?
Do the rear. Yeah. I think the rears are probably a bit high.
Rears are high. How is it?
Busy.
Yeah, looks busy.
Hard. I mean, it's hard to drive a car.
Right. But car feels alright?
Yeah, it feels lovely.
Rears were a bit over.
Yeah, they feel a bit over.
You alright?
It's hard to get into first.
It's first. Do you want us to push you?
No.
Yeah? How are you, bro?
Yeah, good. Got into the 9s.
Yeah, look great.
what I
Doing
wanted.
really well, mate. Consistent. Really consistent with the times.
Considering there's so much traffic.
Yeah, totally. Car sounded great. What's the rest of the gears like? Like struggling with first? Is all the others alright?
Oh yeah, the others are all perfect.
That's great.
I won't go into reverse or first at all though. What I just did though, coming in the pit lane, is I managed to get it in first before coming in the garage, so I've got to do that during the race.
Right. So just waiting to go out for the race. There's going to be a bit of a delay to actually the race because over there my car came off and it's dumped oil and that all over the track, so it's going to be a little bit of a wait before we get out. Good luck, mate.
We had a long race then.
Yeah, it was fine.
Can I try and fire it up? Yeah. Can I try and fire it up and if it goes... That's dead. Ah. And it wouldn't restart.
trying to start it again, it wouldn't go. That's so annoying. Was first gear a problem again?
Yeah, stalled on the green flag lap as well.
Ah.
We're going race. Just got it out there. I don't know if we're allowed or not. Just go through.
Yeah, go for it.
What the is this all about?
Oh,
It never doesn't start.
I know. lost the clutch?
I was doing a slow in lap to make sure, because the oil's too hot. Yeah, the clutch went literally as it came in the pit lane.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the clutch is leaking all the hydraulic fluid. So it stops moving. Drive shaft's come on. So we lost the clutch and the drive shaft.
Look at that. So this drive shaft here, with this bit here with the rubber, that's supposed to be on here. And all the bolts that come out, look. So what we think's happened is the drive shaft, this has come off here. So the drive shaft has popped off and it's smacked this cylinder for the clutch, and there was a bleed nipple in here. There was a little bleed nipple on this cylinder here, and that's obviously come off, and now it's leaking fluid everywhere. So have you just cable tied it all up for now?
Well, if we move the car.
Yeah.